Hi everyone, I'm Kay. Thank you so much for joining me for my unboxing of Forte by Belletress from the Luxe SE collection in the color Peanut Butter Chocolate R. I can't wait. This color looks amazing, right up my street, and the style, it's a long style. It just looks, oh, beautiful, like dream hair. So let's have a look. So comes nice and neatly packaged as we are. So you have a net. This color, wow, this looks like a really lovely natural brunette color. It's stunning. Oh my goodness, the fibers are incredibly soft. Look at this color. Oh, right. Let's look at the cup construction. So it's from the Luxe SE collection, as I said. So you will have premium features on here. So you have a mono top. That means you can part it wherever you like in this section here, and you get a natural looking part line. And you have an extended lace front. Now that lace front doesn't just run into the ear tabs, it runs all the way round the ear tabs. And look how thin the ear tabs are. They are small and thin. So I can only guess when you put that on, you will not see a bulk here at all. It will look so natural. So you have quite a lot of lace front and therefore a natural looking hairline, even on the sides. Can't wait to put it on. Then you have a mainly hen-tight cap. So that means it just allows the fibers to move really naturally. So each fiber that has been put in will move by itself like biohair would. And then you have some covered wefts in the back. And because they're covered, it's really soft cap. And you have an extended velvet nape with Velcro adjusters. So let's try it on. So I just want to show you this again. It feels really light for a long wig. This wig has layers, which I just love. And I just have to try it on now. I'm so excited. Right. Right, 4-finger rules from the bridge of your nose. And this is where your hairline should be. There it is. Ooh. Oh, wow. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? Oh, what a beautiful style. Let me show you before I play with it too much what it looks like straight out of the box. Let's look at the lace front. Wow, look at this. This is growing straight out of my head. That's what it looks like. Let's look at it from the sides. See, this is where the lace front is. The ear tabs only are here. So look at all of this. That looks absolutely amazing. So you can pull it back like this and don't need to worry about the wig cap showing. I probably will just change the parting. So let me just show you that mono top. That looks very well done as well. I have dark hair underneath it, so it looks really, really good. So yeah, I will probably just move my parting over here. So I just use some water and then maybe just a blast of a hairdryer to set it. And then this is what it looks like after styling. And if you're interested in this piece, don't forget to use my code K30 at Wigstudio 1, which will give you an amazing 30% off. And if you like this video, maybe follow me on Instagram at KWestWigs. Have a lovely day. Bye.